How to make 30% in 1 month trading options. My name is David Jaffe from beststockstrategy.com, where I am one of the only legitimate stock market coaches. I post my full transaction history as well as my full trading statements. In this video, you're going to learn how to make 30% in 1 month by trading options. So the reality is that the only way that you could potentially make 30% in 1 month by trading options is by taking way too much risk, or by taking or making low probability trades that you just get lucky and it turns out in your favor, but that's not sustainable as a long-term strategy. So for example, if you buy calls, and I know that some of the scam artists who sell you programs like Jason Brown, they're pretty big on buying call options. There is a possibility that you could buy out of the money call options or even in the money call options and realize a 30% gain on your investment. However, the reality is that when you buy call options, you are fighting against the option decay, and probably around, I would estimate around 60 to 70 or even 80% of the options that you buy are going to expire worthless. So is it feasible that 1 or 2 out of 10 options that you buy are going to hit and give you a 30% increase or gain on your investment in 1 month? Yeah, but the reality is that over the long term, you're going to lose money by trading options, or rather, you're going to lose money by buying options. The second way that you can earn 30% in 1 month is by selling a put option, which is something that I do like, but taking way too much risk. So for example, if Facebook right now is trading at around $175, you would then sell an in-the-money put option with a strike price of around 180, and then Facebook will go up to like 195, and then you can make 30%. I also don't agree with this strategy because essentially you're just price guessing. So here's the big takeaway. If you are trying to make 30% in 1 month by trading options or by day trading or trading futures or anything, you are taking way too much risk. One of my students, he was winning on about 85 to 90% of his options trades, so he kept creeping in the strike price to have it be closer to the current market price. And he sent me a text message saying that he had turned a $5,000 account into $10,000 in around 2 months. So he wanted to get on a call with me, he paid for my time, and he expected me to congratulate him. And instead I told him that despite the fact that he got great results, that is actually extremely misleading because he's taking way too much risk. And as he continues to trade, he's going to lose all of that money if he continues the same strategy that got him from a $5,000 account to $10,000. And lo and behold, 2 months later, he lost all his money, all his gains, and he lost $2,000 because he didn't follow our strategy. He took too much risk. He tried to hit home runs and he ended up striking out. The reality is that you need to learn how to sell option premium and learn our strategy, because you will win on 95% of your trades. And you can learn this strategy and use it for the rest of your life. If you try to make 30% a month, you will lose all your money. We make anywhere from 3 to 6% every month. That's it. And even that is not super easy to do. You know, we generally make around 4%, maybe 4.5% every month. Like, yes, sometimes we've had months where we make 6.5%. Other times we've had, we have an occasional month where we lose money. But the fact of the matter, although I didn't have any months where I lost in 2017 and in 2018, I've had like 2 or 3 months where I have actually had a negative P&L for the month. But the reality is, if you try to earn too much money by trading penny stocks, using technical analysis, trading futures, Forex, etc., you're going to lose all your money. Try to hit singles, making 3 to 5% every month, which will already put you ahead of 99.9% of the people who have money in the stock market. So don't be greedy, learn a skill, use it for life, learn from the best. Go to beststockstrategy.com, enter in your email. You can receive $400 in free training. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will get back to you if you have any questions. Thank you.